from what my energy bill would have cost throughout the year versus what it costs now, thousands of dollars. With solar, it's a consistent bill throughout the year and a low bill. My name is Juan Ponce. I'm a realtor in Southern California. My hobbies are pretty much my family. I like and spend time with my son, my wife. I am a power customer. I've had solar for over a year already. One of the main benefits for us is it's such a relief to not worry about the big summer bill. You know, when it's hot in Southern California and the air conditioner's on. I'm a big AC guy, so if I can keep the house at 68 degrees, I would. I don't, but I would if I could. It really makes me just happy, you know, less stress. It's just a lot of peace of mind. The experience with getting solar was fantastic. It wasn't complicated. Everything's laid out for you. I did look at a couple different companies. The one thing I liked about Power was Jonathan Busano was our consultant. He was just the most knowledgeable. He made you feel the most comfortable. His representation of them was really what closed the deal. Power is a really progressive company. They really believe in their product. The future of energy is solar and all renewable energy. You want to be self-sufficient as much as possible. I mean, you're going to use energy no matter what. You're going to have to pay them a lot for it, or you can take control of it and just kind of get rid of that bill yourself. No point in paying high rates where you can make your own energy and just limit your bill. I'm real happy. You can do a little something for the environment. It helps out. You know, that's always a win-win. It's like I have solar. I don't have to worry about it.